Hello guys, welcome to Landsat LST Calculation Toolbox. It provides two distinct workflows for Landsat temperature analysis. For Landsat product level 2, direct conversion of pre-processed surface temperature products. The tool for level 1 Landsat complete LST calculation from raw digital numbers, DN. Let's start with the level 2 LST converter toolbox. Toolbox structure. We create a folder with the name LST_tool, for example. Then a subfolder with the name Toolbox. Inside this subfolder, we create LST level 2 converter TBX ArcGIS toolbox with this name. Then we create another subfolder with the name of scripts. We put LST level 2 converter.py, which is the core conversion script, inside this subfolder, and a third subfolder with the name of test data with some example datasets inside it. For example, in the desktop, right click, new folder. Let's name it LST_tool 1 because all tool LST tool already I created. Name it LST tool 1, for example. Enter. Inside this folder, we create some other subfolders. The first one, Toolbox. The second one, Scripts. The third one, Test Data. We open the folder with the Visual Studio Code, for example. Open folder, desktop, LST tool 1. Inside scripts folder, we create new file with the name LST level 2 converter.py. Enter. Inside the file, we write the following script. Ctrl S. The script compatible with the Python 2.7, which came along ArcMap 10.5. The script starts with the import ArcPy, then from ArcPy.star, import stat for all functions, then import OS, check the extension, which should be special, ArcPy.checkout extension special, then define the main function, div convert level to LST. Inputs, band 10 path, study area, scale factor, offset, and output path. Try for the environment setup, ArcPy.env.override output equal true. If files exist, overwrite them. Then ArcPy.added message initializing level 2 LST conversion. For input validation, if node ArcPy.exist, band 10, rise value error, file not found. Then start with the clipping thermal band, ArcPy.added message clipping LST B10 to study area. Clipped, we named it clipped B10 equal. Use the function extract by mask. Band 10 path. Mask band 10 based on the study area. Then, while the product 2 of Landsat 8 is already converted to LST, it needs to be scaled. So apply scaling, ArcPy.added message, applying scale and offset. Scaled, you mean scaled LST equal clipped B10 multiply scale factor plus offset. While the LST in the product in Kelvin, we convert it to degrees Celsius. ArcPy.added message converting to Celsius. LST Celsius equal scale minus 273.15. Then save the output. LST Celsius.save inside output path. ArcPy.message LST saved to format.output path inside path. We can extract LST maximum and minimum with using ArcPy.added message LST max dot format ArcPy.get raster properties management LST from LST Celsius extract maximum dot get output O. In the same way, add the message LST min. For the error, accept exception as E, ArcPy.error dot format str string E. Then rise the error. Tool interface. If none equal main parameters B10 path ArcPy.get parameters as text for the first one and study area in the same way. The second one scale factor, third one offset and output path. Convert level to LST. Use the function with the parameters. We paste band 10 of level 2 Landsat product, Landsat 8, inside the test data folder with the shapefile of the study area. Now inside test data folder, we have band 10 and shapefile of the study area. Then we open ArcMap. Click on data log. Inside data log, we use folder connection. Right click, connect to folder. You go to the place which is we created our folder for the tool. In our case, it is on desktop. This is LST tool 1. Click and OK. Under the folder connection, our LST tool 1 exists. Then inside the toolbox, we click on it, right click, new, and click on toolbox to add new toolbox inside this subfolder. We change its name to LST level 2 converter TBX. That's it. When we open toolboxes, then we can add our toolbox here. Right click, add toolbox. It's our folder, and inside toolbox, click it, open. Now our LST level 2 converter added to the list of ARC toolbox. Because I already created LST level 2 converter, let's change its name, the new one, to LST converter 1, for example. Now we added the script, the create script to the toolbox. Right click on the create toolbox, then added script. We go to the location of the script, desktop, LST tool, scripts, LST level 2 converter. Then open. Next, we set up parameters, display name, first one, ST, B10, input, data type, raster dataset. The second one, study area, feature layer. The third one, scale factor. The type is double. Then offset, type is double. Output, LST, degree Celsius, output LST in degrees Celsius. The type is raster dataset. We change in the parameter properties from input to output. Then finish. Now we can run our created toolbox. Let's test it. LST level 2 converter 1. Click on script. Double click. ST band 10. we select band 10 of level 2 Landsat 8. And then select the study area. Scale factor 0.0034182. Offset 149. Scale factor and offset should be extracted in the metadata. Then set output. LST level 2 test.tif. Save. Then OK. That's it. Start time. It take 4 seconds and half. Run script. Initializing level 2 conversion, clipping to the study area, applying scale factor and offset, then convert to Celsius, and it is saved inside the test data with the name of LST level 2 test.tif. We extract maximum 21.6 and minimum value of LST is 1.6, and it is succeeded. So converted LST converted to degrees Celsius. Zoom to layer. Can change the color. That's our output. The LST is for Mosul city, for example, in the water body. Tiga River, it is 10.6 degrees Celsius. While in some other pixels around the city, we have 19.6, for example.